traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only inhabited by freaks and geeks, but also a dwarf named Carlos. A journey to the Gumdrop House on Lollipop Lane, whose boundaries depend on your own mental health. That's a signpost up ahead. Pay me what you owe me, or kiss your legs goodbye. Life always has a little bit of everything for every one of us. Some nice surprises, tragic losses, new allies, betrayals. We all wish we could go back and change some of the mistakes we've made in our lives. But what happens when the man who's been given that opportunity is a sociopathic kleptomaniac, good-for-nothing moron?
Dude, honestly, he never comes out of his room. I haven't seen him for like 6 months. I don't even remember what his face looks like.
Huh, he doesn't even come out to go to the bathroom?
No, I'd imagine that's what all the buckets are for.
I bet he's dead.
Nah, he uses growls to communicate.
Growls? Randal, you're not talking about our wedding present, are you?
Relax, honey, we're talking about his roommate.
Yeah, plus it looks like my present won't be able to growl anyway. Science is still pretty far from being able to create a rapping pig. I'll have to think of something else, Matt.
Don't worry, dude, it's the thought that counts.
Guys, I don't want any scenes at my wedding. Is that asking too much?
Scenes?
What do you mean by scenes?
You know exactly what I mean. We've been friends for a long time now, and I know what your idea of an unforgettable experience is.
Are you talking about that time we tried to summon Freddie Mercury's drunk ghost?
That was quite unforgettable.
It was, and I'd be lying if I said it wasn't funny, but I'm telling you, I don't want any kind of weird stuff at my wedding. It's gonna be the most important day of my life, and I don't want you guys to ruin it.
Well, it's your call, but everybody knows Matt can be really romantic when he wants to.
Everybody? How come I don't then?
Oh, come on, Sally. I tell you I love you almost every day. I'm super romantic.
Yeah, sure. Do you mean when you belch it or when you say it in binary code?
No, he means when he belches it in binary code. Matt always gives it his all. You can tell by the way he almost gags when he's doing it. Oh, by the way, where are you going on your honeymoon?
Well, I think Italy would be really romantic. The Big Ben, the Eiffel Tower, the Pantheon. I just love to go there.
Oh, Sally, I told you all that stuff is in Germany. Libya is still my top choice. I'm dying to see the pyramids.
So, are you guys gonna live in Matt's place?
Yep.
Well, that was the plan, but I'm already looking for a new place.
What? You want to move out? Come on, my mother just got us the Stovamatic 9000. I don't get it.
What are we drinking again?
Some kind of beer, I think. Yeah, something like that.
I miss the grog era. Those were the days.
You bet.
I'm going to the restroom.
Can you get us 2 more beers when you're done, honey?
More booze?
That way you'll look even hotter.
Just promise me you won't puke this time.
Hey, come on. He can't promise that.
Sally, if we're getting married, you have to trust me. Besides, I don't like puking anymore. I feel scammed because, I pay for the stuff that comes out of me.
Okay, it's just that, I thought we'd be doing something more romantic to celebrate our engagement.
You know what would be really romantic?
Let me guess. Another round?
Sally, how could you know me so well?
Dude, check this out. It's the engagement ring I got for Sally. What do you think?
Sure looks expensive. Well, it's your money.
That's just the best part. It cost me a Dorito.
That is impossible, Matt. If you stole it, you can tell me. Sometimes I take stuff that's not mine, too.
I know, everybody knows. But I didn't steal it, dude. I got it from a bum that lives around my neighborhood.
Then I think he likes you.
It was really weird. The guy was all out of his mind. He was going on and on about how this ring ruined his life, that it was cursed, that it would destroy the world.
Maybe that was a metaphor. Dude, you just gave him some Doritos and he gave you a ring? Yeah, I think he likes you.
Come on, Randall. The point is that I took it to a guy who told me that it's 780.563 karat gold, and somehow it's sapphire, ruby, diamond, and emerald plated. It also cuts glass, jumpstarts cars.
Really? May I hold it?
Dude, you're my best friend. That's why you're here. But I'll never let this ring near those kleptomaniac paws of yours.
You'll never forgive me for the robo-calculator incident, right? We were just kids.
No, I don't want anyone touching this ring.
Whatever. I'm sure she'll love it. Looks nice.
Nice? Nice? This ring is better than nice. It's the most fantastic, wondrous ring in the world. The more I look at it, the more I want to keep it for myself.
What are you gonna keep for yourself?
The, puke, sweetie. No throwing up today.
Oh, well, here we go, guys. Last round.
Garbage everywhere as far as the eye can see. And it's not a problem that it is literally starting to stink. I'm afraid something will attack me if I go near his door.
I really think he's dead.
No, dude, I told you. He uses growls to communicate.
Guys, we're supposed to be celebrating our engagement. Why are we talking about Randall's roommate again?
Shh, don't worry about it, honey. That freak is dead.
Where are you getting married?
I really love St. Gilbert's Catholic Church, but Matt heard there's a three-headed monkey buried in the catacombs, and now it gives me the creeps.
Really? I can't think about anything else.
You remind me of a couple of alcoholic hamsters I had when we were in school. They had a very long life. Remember, Matt?
I just hope we don't end up like those poor rodents.
Dude, don't make me feel bad about that. I don't even know how they got in the oven.
I guess they were dazed and confused from all the stress and alcohol. May they rest in peace.
I think I drank enough for today.
What?
Honey, you should stop too.
Me? Why?
Matt, I don't like it when each of your eyes is looking off in a different direction at the same time.
Really? I love that.
Seriously, Matt, that's enough for today.
I'm okay.
He's okay.
Oh, great. Randall, can you go check on him? I don't want him ruining another pair of my shoes.
I told you, you can't keep him from puking. It's like, I don't know, his mutant power or something.
I just hope he slows down on the alcohol after the wedding.
Oh, I'm sure after a month or two of marriage bliss, he'll move on to something stronger. I don't know, heroin, meth. By his looks, I'd say he's the roadie of some cheesy band. I wouldn't know what to say. Pass. I'd be on the losing side of that. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. Poor Charlie. I shouldn't disturb him. He's meditating. At least that's what it looks like. I better not wake him. He's meditating, I think. I'm not disturbing him for the moment. Those things can turn any old place into a party. I'm not talking to that. I can't reach them. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. An old pool table. That's kind of absurd. Not now. That's the cue ball, the most important one and the one I hate the least. An old pool table. I don't think I could fit that in my mouth. A conscious Father Roy would never let me get away with that. Just some pool balls. There's nothing weird about them. I don't think I could fit them in my mouth. No, I've hated colored balls ever since that incident in the ball pit.